Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miki. In today's video, we are going to crochet this Pumpkin Spice Kitty Cupcake plushie. Now, let's get started. Let's start with the kitty head. We start with the magic ring. Yarn over your little finger, index finger, and middle finger. Insert a hook, pull out the yarn, and make a slip knot. In the first round, let's have 6 single crochet. Insert a hook, yarn over, and pull through. This is your first stitch. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And now pull the yarn tail. Take off the stitch marker. Insert the hook into the first stitch and yarn over, pull through. This is your first round. In round 2, first we need to have a standing stitch, and just right below that stitch we're gonna have 1 increase. First, we need to have 1 single crochet in this stitch. And in the same stitch, make another single crochet. 2 single crochet, make 1 increase. Now, in the second stitch, let's make another increase. So we need to do 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now we've already made 2 increase. In this round, we totally need to have 6 increase. Now in round 3, first we have a standing stitch, and in the first stitch, let's have 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, do 1 increase. Repeat this pattern. In the next stitch, a single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 increase. Repeat this pattern until you finish this round. In round number 4, make a standing stitch as usual. And in the first stitch, let's make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 increase. In the third stitch, make another single crochet. Please repeat this pattern. In round 5, in the first stitch, we make 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the third stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the fourth stitch, make 1 increase. So 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Please repeat this pattern. In round 6, in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, make another single crochet. In the third stitch, make 1 increase. In the next stitch, make another single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. So 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochet. Repeat this pattern for total 6 times in this round. In round 7, we have 5 single crochet and 1 increase. This is 5 single crochet, and in the next stitch make 1 increase. Please repeat this pattern. From round 8 to 12, we have 42 single crochet in each round. Before you start each round, make a standing stitch, and your first stitch is right below. Make 1 single crochet in each round. Please finish round 8 to round 12. Now let's make the ears. Start with the magic ring again. And let's do 4 single crochet in our first round. In round 2, a standing stitch. In the first stitch, let's make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 increase. And repeat. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 increase. Connect with the first stitch. Flip it over. In round 3, we have 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 1 time. This is the first single crochet. Another single crochet. One increase. And repeat. Single crochet, single crochet, 1 increase. Connect with the first stitch. Make a slip knot. Pull out the yarn. If you choose to sew it, you want to keep a good length. This is 1 year and you need to have another one. For the cup part, from round 1 to round 7, the pattern is the same as we have in the head. So I'll put the pattern on the screen so you don't have to look back, and I'll meet you in round 8. So this is the last stitch in round 7. Now we're gonna connect with the first stitch. Take off the stitch marker. In round 8, we're gonna do 42 double crochet on the back loop only. So when you are connecting with the first stitch, insert the hook into the back loop. Pull through, pull through. And now, let's make 2 chain stitches as our standing stitch. Now we're gonna do 1 double crochet in each stitch. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch, pull out. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. This is your first stitch. Now let's try it again. Yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop. Make 1 double crochet. This is the second stitch. Insert into the back loop. Please keep doing it until you finish this round. In round 9 and 10, we make 2 chain stitches as our standing stitch. And in the first stitch, make 1 double crochet, insert into the whole stitch. For the next stitch, we're gonna insert the hook into the front post. Make 1 double crochet on the post. And in the next stitch, right here, we make a regular double crochet. And in next stitch, we do the double crochet on the post. And just repeat doing it until you finish round 9 and round 10. Now you can choose to use hot glue to stick these 2 parts together, or you can sew them together stitch by stitch. Now we're gonna add some whipped cream. Insert the hook into the stitch on the edge. Make 2 chain stitches. And in the same stitch, we're gonna make 4 double crochet, but incompleted ones. Now we yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull out the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and keep the other 2 loops on the hook. This is 1 incomplete double crochet. Now we're gonna have 3 more. 2, 3, 4. Now you should have 5 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through the 5 loops together, make a chain stitch, and skip the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, then pull through. This is a slip stitch. This is 1 cream, and we're gonna repeat 2 chain stitches and 4 double crochet. A chain stitch, skip the next one, insert into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. This is another cream. Please repeat this pattern until you finish this round. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay posted with my latest crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!